Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, and today we're looking back at the 2-bed property for an update. Now there's a lot of work that has been done on the strip out so far, so I'm excited to show you guys exactly what it is. So let's jump inside and have a look. Okay, so as you can see, massive change so far. We're completely stripping out the property as we speak. So there's been a huge amount of change in here, and I'm excited to show you exactly what has been done. I'm still not going to be showing you exactly or telling you exactly what we're doing with the property, but I'm sure by now you should be able to guess what we're actually doing with the property, which is great. So let's have a look exactly what's happening in this actual room at the moment. Okay, so what you can see from here is we've actually completely stripped out everything back to brick. So we've got the chimney stack, original chimney stack here. This has obviously gone back to brick, so everything will be replastered, everything will be brand new in the property. I'm still not going to tell you guys exactly what we're doing with the property, okay? I want you guys to guess. Now I'm sure by the amount of work that we're doing, you're probably going to guess what type of strategy we are doing this property. And if you have got any ideas, drop in a comment in the comment box. Give us a thumbs up as well, because if you haven't subscribed, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. But as you can see, we've got the ceilings that's actually come out as well. So full ceilings have come out on there. We've made all electric. So you can see up here, we've got the temporary electric fitted in here. So we've got electric, so we can do what we need to in here as well. But let's jump into the back and see exactly what's happening over here. Okay, so we're in the rear of the property now. So as you can see, again, taking everything back to brick that we needed to. So everything's going to be brand new. Whatever you see is going to be absolutely brand new, which is great. It just means that we're going to have a good solid foundation from underneath all the way to what you see to the finished product. Now, if you haven't seen what it looked like before, make sure you click up here and you can actually see what actually it looked like previously before, and you can actually guess exactly what we're doing for it. Now, what do you think we're actually doing this? Because there's obviously a lot of work going on. I don't think we're going to be doing just a buy-to-let. There's a bit of a hint there for you guys anyway. Anyways, chimney stacks over here, good quality. Got the actual French windows over here, but let's have a look and see what's happening with the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen has been completely stripped out. We've actually taken out the ceilings as well, so you should be seeing that right now. So we taken out the original ceilings because we're going to be doing something quite nice in here, raising up a little bit, but also putting insulation in here as well. There wasn't any insulation. The roof quality is really good. So the roof is staying, which is sweet. But pretty much we're going to leave this as the kitchen, and we'll just open up those walls there as well if needed. For what we're doing for the property. So everything's gone out, everything's coming in fresh, which is good. The other thing that has happened over here, which we'll show you now. Okay, so we've actually going to be taking out the actual toilet. So original toilet was actually here, so that's all been taken out now. Obviously we've got the toilet still there at the moment, so the guys can use it on site if they need to. But we're keeping this as the kitchen. Obviously we're putting a new ceiling in, that's all come out, and that needed to be, we're going to be insulating up there as well, so that's all nice and comes up to new EPC standards, and really make this property as efficient as possible, which is good. A good rental property with this one. But let's jump upstairs and let's have a look exactly what's happening up there now. Okay, so we're at the top of the property at the moment. There's a lot that's actually been done in the front of the property and the rear as well. We're going to jump into the rear of the property first so we can actually see what's actually been done in there. And then when we come to the front, I'm sure you guys would have guessed by now exactly what we're doing with the property. So if you have, then put it down in the comments below. Okay, so we're in the rear of the property at the moment. This is going to be obviously we're 2-bedroom terraced at the moment, just reminding you of exactly what the property is at the moment. Question is what it's going to be at the end. That's what you really want to be asking at the moment as well. So we've got the chimney stacks in here. We've got the braces here ready to go in to support the actual chimney. So chimney stacks, are they coming out? Are they staying in? So if we've got the braces in there, yes, they are coming out. So we have got them there supporting at the moment, because you have to put the support in there to make sure that you've still got strength. So if we are knocking them out, then at least we've got the strength in there so they don't fall in. That's the last thing you want to be doing is with these chimney stacks, you don't want them falling in as well. Other thing as well, ceiling's gone. Okay, so you'll see by the actual B-roll going through now is that the ceiling has gone, and there's a reason for that, which you'll see in future videos, but I'm not going to tell you right now as well. In the meantime, let's jump into the front of the house and see what's happening there. Okay, so we just come out from the rear of the property there. This is the center of the property over here. You can see obviously the original walls over here, partitioning walls. We've actually broken through all of this. Bathroom, this is where the original bathroom is. Is it going to stay here? Is it going to go? Obviously we're no at the moment. Question is, what is it you think that's happening with this, okay? So we're pretty much stripping everything out in the property. Chimney stacks are coming out in both sides of the houses as well. And it's going to be a huge transformation on this. So if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up as well if you like what you have seen already. And if you guys want to profit from UK property and you want to actually do it with minimal time involvement, so you don't actually have any time involvement, or you don't have time to be able to do stuff like this, be on site and actually go through projects like this, then certainly just simply head to jenicproperty.com. You can book a call with one of our team. We take care of the whole process, so you can start redefining your retirement one property at a time, and start replacing your income. But other than that, thanks very much for watching, guys. Keep up to date on other videos as well that we have got on Refurb Wednesdays. Feel free to actually follow myself on Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook at Property with Nic Clark, and I'll see you guys all soon. Thanks very much for watching. Speak to you next week.